Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthi uyaphila. Mina ngicela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi mali, kumahhala nje yonke usho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezenzakalayo kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke songakwenza nje lapho ucindezele ibhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje usho nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke udaba kulethele lona namhlanje sike sekuvele-ke laphana-ke indlela-ke ekuyiyona engalwisana nesinqumo senkantolo-ke njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi laphana-ke kuphume-ke inkantolo ekhiphe-ke isinqumo sokuthi-ke uZuma ngeke ekwazi ukuthi-ke abe upresident we-MK-ke, ngeke akwazi futhi nokuthi-ke aye ephalamende-ke kube sekuphuma-ke umbono komunye komlisa ukuthi ongakwazi ukuthi-ke banqobe ngayo le ndlela if bengenza njalo-ke. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina ukuze ngamphesha into engenza nje ngidlalela ividiyo-ke uzwele wena ngawakho amandla ngizocela lapha uzwele le video le, ungene ema-comment section-ke ufishe umbono wakho ngalolu lolu daba-ke lolu-ke engicindezele nebhasi nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali, kumahhala nje usho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Afrika-Dzonga outcome ya namuntlha ka Constitutional Court hambi yo vuya yi ku President Zuma a nga yi palamende a swi cinci ku u ta huma ka ballot paper. He's still going to be voted. Already yesterday, people who are outside of the country, they voted for President Zuma, they voted for MK. So whether the Constitutional Court will say it's not legible to go to Parliament, we don't have to worry. As long as we get two-thirds majority, we will introduce the new constitution, not this one of white monopoly capital. So our duty, our task is to mobilize people to go and vote for two-thirds majority. Ayene ya vote kuma two-thirds majority. Ambi Constitutional Court namutlha ingako hayi President Zuma angayi a parliament ayikwati. We don't have to be angry. We go and vote. Ikuma two-thirds majority, then the end the constitution. We are not going to amend the constitution, but we are going to introduce the new constitution, which will serve South Africans, not this one of white monopoly capital. So you don't have to worry, you don't have to fight, you don't have to react. Today's decision by Constitutional Court won't change our win for MK to be in the ballot, for President Zuma to be in the ballot is there. Already yesterday, people voted for MK, voted for Great Leader Zuma. So you don't have to worry. I'm begging you.